Want to save your music projects in Suno AI? Whether you're creating songs for YouTube, social media, or personal enjoyment, saving your projects ensures you can come back and continue working on them anytime. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save projects in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open an existing project or create a new song. Your projects are linked to your account, so make sure you're signed in with the correct one. Next, enter your music prompt, add custom lyrics if you'd like, and generate your song. You can continue making changes until you're satisfied with the result. Take your time refining your project before moving on. After your song is generated, Suno AI automatically saves your creations to your account. In most cases, there's no separate save button to click. As long as you're signed in, your completed songs and projects will appear in your library automatically. To view your saved work later, open the library from the navigation menu. Here you'll find your previously generated songs and ongoing creative projects. Take a moment to browse your saved music. You can open an existing project to review it, listen again, or use it as inspiration for new songs. Depending on the available features, you may also be able to create additional versions from previous generations. Keeping your projects organized makes it easier to find them later. If a song is especially important, consider downloading it to your computer as an additional backup if your account includes download access. This gives you a local copy alongside the version stored in your Suno AI library. So you've successfully saved your projects in Suno AI, and that's how to save projects in Suno AI. Since your songs are automatically stored in your account, it's easy to return to them whenever you're ready to continue creating. Downloading your favorite songs as backups is also a smart way to keep your work safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.